Hi, I'm Lisa Pesta, CEO of Meriwest Credit Union. In 2024, our staff donated over 1,000 hours of their time to make a difference, standing side by side to uplift our community. We donated $45,000 to support nonprofits, financial literacy programs, and Bay Area schools, and an additional $10,500 to support local affordable housing projects, the highest donation amount on record for Meriwest. We pledged $10,000 in scholarships to support students chasing their dreams of higher education, and another $10,000 to the Alzheimer's Association, where our staff joined together to participate in the annual fundraising walk. We sponsored and participated in 541 community events supporting nonprofits, chambers, business partners, colleges, and member companies, and reached nearly 9,000 residents through financial education workshops, far surpassing our goal. We provided resources to thousands of students and honored dozens of educators with our Teacher of the Week Merit Award. And we debuted the very first Meriwest float in the Santa Clara Parade of Champions, an annual tradition we are excited to be a part of. For all of our efforts throughout the community, we were recognized for numerous prestigious awards. At Meriwest, we're not just about banking, we're about building up our communities. Meriwest Credit Union, because we're you.